Hey guys, I'm just going over the class. I think I've kind of made a few mistakes. So I'm going to give you more time on the booklet project. I'm going to give you till the 12th, which is technically after finals week, but I don't have to get final grades into the registrar until the 14th. So I can push it back that far and give you guys a little bit more time. That means that you might have to work at home to get this done. We're still going to be meeting finals week 16 at the time that I said we're going to meet, 10 to 11:50 a.m. on December 6th. We're still going to meet then, and you can work on your project. You can ask me your booklet project. You can ask me any questions that you might have during this time, and then we can kind of go from there. But during this week, by Friday, I want you to get this extra credit assignment done. Even though it's extra credit, I highly suggest you do it, because if you can get that done this week by Friday, over the weekend you can start your booklet project at home. And then on Monday we can meet and I can take a look at how far you are, like just help you with any questions you might have. But after you do this walkthrough, this extra credit assignment here, where you download this file and then you watch the videos below, that will help you immensely with your booklet project that's going to be due on the 12th. I'm just going to go ahead and put the upload area for the booklet project in this week, since I'm not going to put a week 17 in there. But so the extra credit follow along will be due this Friday, December 3rd by 11:30 p.m. So on Thursday we can work on this in class if you want to, and then you can work on it at home. And this is my bad. I probably should have made this something that we did in last week in week 14, and then we would have had a little bit more time to get the booklet done, but you know, I kind of goofed that up, so I apologize. But I'm trying to give you guys extra time to get the booklet done so that you can get it looking the way you want it to, so you're not rushing it so much. And also going through these walkthrough videos, there's about 6 of them, close to an hour and a half-ish of content to watch and follow along to, but you would download this and watch the videos and get those turned in by December 3rd. And this is just an extra video of how to insert page numbers in InDesign using master pages. It goes into more detail than I did here, than I did with this walkthrough. This one's a little bit more detailed on how to do master pages and how to create page numbers using master pages. And I'm also going to make a pre-flight video, which is another little thing that you can do before you send something off for print. You know, once you get your booklet finalized, you can pre-flight it, check it for printing errors. That's what pre-flight is for. It just checks your document for printing errors. And so I'm going to make a video about that you can watch as well. I might put that in week 16. But I think that's how we're going to go forward in here. I think I'm just going to give you extra time on the booklet. I want you to do the extra credit assignment by this Friday. Start your booklet over the weekend and use next week to work on your assignment and get this turned in, the booklet turned in to me by the 12th at the very latest, because I have to get final grades in by the 14th. So anyway, that's kind of the change of plan. I'm sorry to make this kind of chaotic and somewhat confusing, but I just, I'm trying to make it better for you guys by giving you more time and giving you a little bit more of a like a building up assignment that helps build you up to the booklet project, which I should have probably given you in week 14, but I didn't. So we're going to do it in week 15, and I'm going to give you extra time to get your booklet done. So I'll talk to you about this in Thursday's class as well, but hopefully this works out well for everybody, and I think it will. Okay, we'll talk to you later.